Hello and welcome to Aurei plays Factorio Nullius. And we're gonna make some extra water because that's useful. Mainly to keep our power supply up. And we're gonna run a distillery right here. And we'll do this. We'll get you in here. And then we'll get this water out. There we go. We'll bring in a pole as well. We'll bring you in. And we'll get brine, which we'll have to filter back and use elsewhere. Yeah, this should give us a proper influx of water. Do we want to do a top-up valve? I think we do, because this is really meant to produce. So let's... Right, at the destination under 50% pressure. Oh, but that's always gonna be under 50%, huh? Yeah, okay. Then we don't really care for now, and we'll just fix it up when we can. Yeah, so do we want to split the brine? It's gonna give us hydrogen and chlorine, which is somewhat nice, right? The hydrogen is actually... Let's just check what we could do with the brine again. So we can vent it. And we can split it into hydrogen and chlorine with sodium hydroxide. We can do fancy stuff, more fancy stuff, more fancy stuff. More fancy stuff. Okay. Yeah, so do we want to just vent the brine or do we want to get this out? And I guess the answer depends on this, right? So this is... gets us mostly hydrogen, a little bit of chlorine, and that's what we want, right? We're now already overflowing on chlorine, so I don't think it's really worth it trying to process the brine. So we'll just vent it instead. It's a little bit funky, but I think it's the right call, because the thing that should be taking most of our resources is gotta be the electrolyzers, right? Or at least electricity-wise. Let's see. Yeah, priority electrolyzer is by far our main power consumption. So we really want to do this. And then just figure out later what we specifically are gonna do. I should have one of these fairly soon. This is not quite where we want it to be. Let's do it over here. There we go. And then we're gonna bring this in. And we should have the intake soon enough. Or the outfall, rather. And it doesn't fit here, but it does fit here. So let's collect that. Okay, let's try again. Let's do it like this. Okay, that doesn't quite work either. Okay, let's do it over here then and just yeet it over a little bit. Okay, so that means that we actually have a ton of water right now, which is really nice. In fact, it might start to cause problems at some point if we would do it we could do a tank with... no, we really need to upgrade our pipe to make this happen. So if this is causing problems, we're gonna have to upgrade our pipes. Then again, can they even fill up? Yeah, I mean, they should be able. But we could deadlock on this, I'm pretty sure. So for now, we have our power backup right here. So here you have full output. So if we manage to upgrade, if we upgraded this very specifically, that would be way worth it, I think. Let me get some of this going. Where's this even going? Oh, over there. Okay, I don't think we can bridge quite that far. But let's see if we can upgrade some very specific infrastructure here. I think if we did this, yes, then we can fill this up a little bit further. And we want to do the same for you. So now we can fill up both of these a little bit more and store some extra backup power. Okay, so that's gonna mean this is all good. Let's see how you are doing. We're short on the minerals. Okay, well, let's figure out why. Probably because we're missing some ore. Probably the sandstone, right? Because I'm pretty sure we might be mining it. No? Wait, do we... Okay, it's a production issue. That's not what I expected at all. Yeah, we need to make those bad boys. Yeah, okay. Well, that's interesting. I guess we really managed to scale up that. That's kind of nice. Okay, sweet. Yes. So are we finally ready to move to... Yeah, I think we are, because this is looking fairly good. So we finally can start on this. So let's figure out if we want to smelt you. Oh, we need... In order to do this, we need... This is a backup thing, and we get methane out of that. Or rather, yeah, at the end we can do that, right? So this is what we want to do first, and then we need the caustic solution. So let's figure out how to get that caustic solution. Ah, that's where we need the sodium hydroxide. Okay. Yeah, well, then I guess we're gonna be able to use that properly for a bit. Yes, so we'll have to bring that out here, right? We'll start with using this one, and then we'll use the other ones, I guess. This one should be... let's do this, I guess. And then feed this in as well. Yep. And then we'll bring you home. This is kind of annoying though. So let's bring it up one higher. There we go. And then we can move in. Actually, we could just run it. We have a fluid up here, but we could run it right here. Kind of funky, but whatever. Okay, so if we want to do you, we need to do this in a hydro plant. So let's get one. Hydro plant. Yeah, so as of now, I think the main thing that's gonna cause us issues is gonna be still the chlorine, right? The chlorine is the thing that's... And actually, somehow we're overflowing this into here, so that's now okay. So, yeah, that's kind of nice. Ah, yeah, okay, it's backing up on this end as well. Okay, we might even have too much plastic, as much as that's not gonna be a problem. But yeah, okay, okay. Yeah, I am kind of looking forward to getting to manage this properly with trains. I think the overflow station is actually maybe one of the more elegant solutions I've actually thought of myself. What is gonna be problematic is that we have a bunch of cliffs here. That's really annoying. We built this a little bit further than I expected. So maybe we'll have to start building on the other end of this, like build up here and then build down, in order to really use all that we need. You are gonna be doing this, for which we need real water, which luckily we have now. Yep. And then you guys, oops, almost. Let's bring that in up there. There we go. Okay, and then we'll do this and power that. Excellent. Let's make some more poles and some more of you. And then we'll get this and yeah, we're gonna need some more of you. This is gonna be up here. No, it's gonna be one more this way. There we go. Okay. And we're gonna bring this down, and then we're not gonna have enough. So I guess we'll cancel all of you and instead make a little bit more underground pipe. But I guess we also want to grab some more motors, since we're a little bit low on those. So for this, we probably need to start processing the brine kind of soonish as well. If we don't have enough of that stuff, then that's gonna be problematic. Wait, are we? We're full up on hydrogen. Well, okay. I guess that means, yeah, these guys are consuming a little bit less, so yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah, we might need to empty that out at some point. It's in between, like, just all the random pipes. There's a decent amount in the system, so we could just do that. And it would be sort of unfortunate, but then again, it would also be fine. Yeah, so I guess if we have this much plastic, we can start making level 2 pipes, right? That seems like a no-brainer. Let's do that. Let's just start making level 2 pipes. So we'll have output priority to the left. Nope, to the right. There we go. And we'll just set up a small assembler making level 1 pipe. That seems reasonable. Or maybe even a medium assembler. Oh, we don't have the steel for that yet. So let's just do a small one and be happy with that. So we'll do this, and you'll make this. We'll just put that in a chest. No limit. That's fine. Like, we can just consume some of the plastic. I think we also might want to do a buffer just before that. So maybe let's do that over here, like this, and do a small plastic buffer, like that. So limit to, like, I don't know, 3 stacks, and output priority to the left. No, actually, we don't need a priority there. We can just eat this and be good. Right, I'm okay splitting this into a buffer. So yeah, we're gonna eat quite a lot of plastic, and that's gonna be quite nice because then we can get level 2 pipe. And for this guy, we don't even need, yeah, we just need the pipe 2. So yeah, this is, yeah, it's not quite as efficient, but yeah, if we have a lot of plastic, why not, right? Yeah, and this is also okay. We seem to have enough mineral samples to get this going, so yeah. Okay. So, let's see. We were just making more of this, right? Because we're bringing down the caustic solution. These guys are actually fine. We have a buffer up there. We're not gonna run through that quite soon. And we have some, like, we can just bring in some more from across the map if we need it. Okay, we'll bring it down here, and yeah, we'll just run it through here, I guess. Yeah, kind of soonish we're ready to start working with pipe 2. That's actually sooner than I would have thought. This kind of seems backed up because of this. Okay. Let's set this up and just double this output. Figure out a way to deal with that. Bring the stone in here. And then the caustic solution. Okay, so... Okay, so what we want to be doing is figuring out what we actually... We needed this for something, for this. Okay, so we're doing this in flotation cells. And we're gonna get sludge back out, which we're gonna dump, probably, hopefully. Can we vent this? Please tell me we can vent this. Oh, we can mix it with seawater to make wastewater. Voiding one, yeah, okay. Okay, well, that's fine. We can do that right here. We have some water. So let's make 2 flotation cells. And yep, so we'll need this guy. We're missing underground belt, so I guess we want to craft some of that. In fact, we're just missing regular belt as well. So I forgot to steal some of you, huh? Yeah, there we go. That should be better. Okay, so these guys are gonna be improving, and we just need to craft a whole bunch. Mining productivity is almost done. Chirality, I don't really care for much now. So let's just queue some other stuff. I guess this is... Yeah, we're gonna need this. And then I guess we can get chirality. Oh, this is real nice. I mean... Oh wait, it takes purple as well, so we can't quite do that yet. Yeah, so I guess that's everything we can do with current science. So let's hope we actually are gonna be kind of close-ish to the next level of science once we do this. Insulated wire logic circuit. Yeah, we need to make a whole lot of new stuff. But then again, the insulated wire is what I'm doing right here. So we'll have to do this, and Like maybe make another like small setup, like maybe right here or something, to make just some aluminum stuff and do that. I think that's where we want to be. Because we can't really afford to keep going this way. And the explosives are gonna be behind the next level. These can already explode cliffs. So this is where we want to be. Yeah. Okay. So, we should have flotation cells now. And we actually want to DQ a couple of you and instead this is fine. We can feed you into there. This is all backlogged. Why are you? I guess we're consuming more on that end. Or do we have... No, this is not empty. This is really backlogged, so that's okay. Yep, so flotation cell 1. And we're gonna do this. So, how do we want to set this up? I guess like this. And then do you make more underground pipe because we don't have enough. And then we'll connect the yeah, if we do this, then we can connect up the sludge in a similar way. Yeah, let's just use regular pipe for this part. Okay, we don't have regular pipe. Maybe let's add a small setup up here that makes some pipe. And let's see. So we're gonna do this. Oh, this is backlogged. Oh, that's kind of funky, I guess. Let's just make the glass backlog a little bit bigger, and then we'll use that. Because it doesn't really hurt, right? Yeah, it just takes some energy, so that's fine. And then we can keep making brick, because that actually is kind of important. Did we get our small assembler? No, it's still cute. Okay. Let's go like this, and oh, actually, yeah, we had it on waiting for that. Okay. You're gonna make this guy, and then this guy. We're gonna set that up. Okay, that should be better. Hopefully in a bit. Do we want to limit it? I don't think so, right? If we run out of sand zone, then so be it. Though we don't have that much on the map, so it could be a problem. But oh well. Okay, we should have a decent amount now. I'm actually gonna feed some iron ore into you guys. There we go. Okay, so pipe, pipe, pipe. You guys will get some regular pipe like this. There we go. And for you, we need to, you know, connect that up somewhere. Like over here. Go like this, and then mirror the whole shebang. So we'll do this. Ah, I guess this is where the chirality stuff comes in, huh? But we can just do this and this, and then we'll power that. Yeah, let's power it like this then. Yep, and then we'll need two outputs. over here. And bring you in, copy this recipe, and get it up to here. Okay. So, next step, aluminum. So, we want to get these guys. Wait, what? How does this work? Anyways, we want to do this basically, so we need to make you, which is made in furnaces. Okay. Let's see. Can we make these? We don't have steel plates. Okay. Well, then I guess we want to do this, and we probably need to start making some steel as well. Yeah. This is the last stack we can actually make. And this is a little bit weird because it just costs yellow and red, but it has purple prereq, so we really can't make it quite yet. Oh yeah, and you do need. This is a bit messy. Let's split it up here then. Like this. And put down the power pole over here. Yeah. And then we'll need to dump the sludge. So in order to do that, we have a seawater intake. We're gonna dump some stuff and we're gonna need a hydro plant. So yeah, what are we missing for the hydro plant then? Ah, filters. Yeah, okay. I guess we have a decent amount of this now, so... do we wanna... on this we wanna input prioritize the left, I think. We actually do have a good amount of this stuff. So yeah, we can do this, and then we need to just steal some steel rolls to get the rest. Yes, excellent. Okay, steel rolls for you. And then we can get some filters. Yeah, okay, okay. Do we connect this water up to the main? Yeah, I guess we did. So that's also why we have a ton of water up here. No, we don't have pressure issues quite yet, which is good. I was expecting there to be a little bit. So I guess we're good for now. Sweet. Yeah, let's cut this episode right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. It helps people like you find it too. Thanks!